Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a bedroom clean with me along with a bunch of laundry, and then also I am going to be trying out these new sheets. This company called Bedscape, they contacted me and they are an American brand company. All their sheets and everything is designed in New York City, and then they're produced in an old Israeli textile factory. These are almost like they are like sheets that you would use like in a hotel, and these are really nice. There's a ton of different sets and a ton of different colors to choose from. I chose this dark gray color because I thought it looked good with our bedding, and also because our comforter has that dark gray at the bottom, so I thought it would just look great. But I'm just going to start taking all the sheets and stuff off the bed. I'm going to wash them anyways, but I wanted to put these new sheets on. It comes in a really cute little bag, and also they are made out of 100% long staple cotton and available in 2 different fabrics. They also have no chemicals or GMO used to make these, so I think that is so awesome. They are a little pricey, but you get what you pay for, I suppose. But right now I'm going to be offering you guys a 30% off code, so if you do want to check these out, I think that is a great discount price. Also, they offer all free shipping and returns for US orders. So the sheet sets I chose, these have a top and a bottom sheet along with 2 pillowcases, and I still am in love with this color. I know what my husband's gonna think, but I thought this looked really cool. And they are kind of like, I don't know, I want to say like I don't want to say a crusty material, but they're kind of like a thicker material, like a harder material for a sheet. But I think once they get washed, that will kind of go away. But anyways, so I'm just going to start making the bed, and normally I don't use a top sheet, but this time I thought I would just try it out, and now I know why, because I am like not the best bed maker in the world. But anyways, I will leave the link for Bedscape in the description box below, so if you do want to check out more of their products. And also I will leave my promo code in the description box as well, so you can get your 30% off. So now I am just going to start finishing cleaning this room. And to wipe everything down, I'm just using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the Lime and Sea Salt. I keep different products on our upstairs floor and like our downstairs, just so I don't have to keep moving everything around and bringing it up and down the stairs and forgetting about it. So I always just keep this one upstairs.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump.
And quite a few people have asked what kind of vacuum I have. It is the Shark Rotator. I'm pretty sure that there's like newer models out of this. This one is probably like 4 years old almost. So like I said, there's probably different models, but I love the Shark vacuum. I think this is so amazing. And the parts to replace, I've had to replace the hose on this, and I find everything on eBay and it's so inexpensive, and obviously it's way cheaper than buying a new vacuum. But I've had this for quite a while, and I think this picks up so much stuff. It picks up so much like dust and just everything that is inside your floor. Like, I think it is awesome.
Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again.
I do try to vacuum up here once or twice a week just because we do have animals and they are allowed to sleep in our bedrooms. So I really collect so much pet hair up here. It's probably worse than like our whole entire downstairs put together. And I don't know why, but it gets so bad up here. So I seriously fill a whole like container like full of pet hair almost every couple days I vacuum.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss. I try to reach you, but that's nothing new. I know, cause you turn around when I wanna.
And then now once the sheets and comforter are all clean, I'm just going to be putting the comforter back on along with the pillows. I love this comforter. I got this from Target on clearance for only like $30. But this thing dries so fast. In the last comforter we had, I think I had to like either dry it like 2 or 3 times and then like hang it over our stairs to like air dry because it never dried. So I absolutely love this. And then I have this big pile of clothes sitting in the corner, and this is the worst thing ever. So I tried selling on Poshmark, and well, this is how good it's going. It is so hard to sell on there. I thought it'd be like way easier for some reason, but I don't think like I have like the best clothes. I don't know, like I don't have the most expensive stuff, so maybe that's like probably not my website to be on because a lot of it's like Louis Vuitton and like ridiculous stuff like that. But I have sold like 2 things on there, so I was super proud of that. But now I'm just going to go through this and I'm just going to start donating a lot of the stuff I didn't put on there just to get it out of our room because having a pile of clothes sitting there is driving me crazy. And then now the rest of the evening I'm just going to be finishing laundry. So I have towels and I have Scarlett's laundry right here. And then I'm going to have my husband's laundry, my laundry, and probably an extra load of towels. Like I said, I like to do all of my laundry in 1 to 2 days, even if it takes 2 days to do. Like I'm totally okay with that. But I would much rather do it in 1 day than have to do it like all through the week. Like it's not that hard. It's just annoying having to do. And then this was when Presley woke up from her nap and she loves to help me throw the little pods and stuff in. And no, she doesn't eat them or lick them or anything like that. So you guys don't have to worry about how I parent, but I don't let her eat them. I don't let her lick them. But this is me doing laundry. I don't know why my video is like all backwards, but I guess that's okay. But this is me washing the laundry, and then you saw me putting it on when it was already clean. But I don't know what happened, but this is just how it's going to stay. But she likes to help me do that, and she is learning to count by doing pods. So you know what? That's totally fine. And then I like to use the Downy Unstoppable. I think this is Unstoppable. No, I think it's just Downy like laundry detergent or fabric softener, but it smells so good. And then I am just going to fold everything that I have left in here, and then I am going to vacuum. This gets so linty and so gross, and I don't know why, but I have to do this a couple times a week, and it's like, I don't know, we have animal hair in here. It is just nuts, but yeah, I'm just going to take care of everything in here and make this super clean. And yes, I did film this in 2 days just because I wanted to finish all the laundry, but then I wanted to just kind of show you guys how I get it all done. So this did go through the next day, but this was my last load to do. So I'm just putting everything in the dryer, and then I'm going to finish folding everything that was in the dryer. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And like I said, I will leave the link to Bedscape in the description box below if you'd like to go over there and check them out. And then that is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!